Hi, I'm Marla Niederer from OrsinisAngels, and I wanted to share with you how I sketched and how I painted this mixed media piece. Okay, I let it dry and I spent some time just letting it sit and look at it. And I think I'm going to go back in, work a little bit more on the background and kind of go from there and see where I'll go before I complete it. So I think the first thing that I'm going to do is try to create a little bit of a moon. So I'm going to use a paintbrush. I think I'm going to use a round and just kind of see if I can remove a little bit of the color. Now this is arches and I don't know if I'll be able to or not, but I'm going to try and see if I could scrub a little bit to give a little luminescence here. Look like the moon. And this is better done when it's the paint hasn't sat for so long. I wouldn't do this with a really good brush just because it's putting a lot of stress on it. Now, if you're not using a real high quality paper, this might destroy your paper, but this is a really good Arches watercolor paper, so it can take it. there, so you kind of got the impression of the moon. And I'm going to go in and add a little background here, because here you had more interest. So I want to add a little bit more interest. So I'm going to add a little water just to this section. And I'm going to go in with a larger brush, and this is a round. And I think what I'm going to use is the Moon Glow again. And what I'm going to try to create is a little bit of a misty look. And now I'm going to add a little bit of Payne's Gray. Okay, I'm back, and I let this dry, so I'll kind of get the background appearance that I would like. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of gold, and since this is mixed media, so I can use that, different mediums, and I'm going to use some golden iridescent gold deep. And I'm just going to put a little down here, and to kind of add a little bit of highlight to certain areas. So I'm going to use different brushes than I use for my watercolors. So I'm using a round brush, and these I usually use for my acrylics. And what I'm going to do is kind of give a little bit of a highlight. And I think I'm going to go back in with a little bit of watercolor. Now that I'm thinking about it. And just a little bit of the quinacridone gold. And I believe this is done. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a very creative day. Bye now.